Article number 1, name and territory of the Union. Article number 2, admission or establishment of new states. Article number 3, formation of new states and alteration areas, boundaries or names of existing states. Article number 4, laws made under Articles 2 and 3 provide and amendments first and fourth schedule, supplemental and incidental and consequential matter. Article number 5, citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Article number 6, right of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan. Article number 7, right of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. Article number 8, right of citizenship of certain person Indian origin residing outside India. Article number 9, person voluntarily acquiring citizenship foreign state not to be citizenship. Article number 10, continuance of the citizenship. Article number 11, Parliament to regulate citizenship by law. Article number 12, definition. Article number 13, laws inconsistent with or in derogation of fundamental rights. Article number 14, equality before law. Article number 15, prohibition of discrimination on grounds religion, race, caste. Article number 16, equality of opportunity in matter of religion, religion worship. Article number 17, abolition of untouchability. Article number 18, abolition of titles. Article number 19, protection of rights certain regarding freedom of speech. Article number 20, protection of respect in conviction of offences. Article number 21, protection in life and personal liberty. Article number 22, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Article number 23, prohibition of traffic in human being and forced labor. Article number 24, prohibition of employment of factories in children. Article number 25, freedom of conscience and free profession practice and propagation religion. Article number 26, freedom as to manage religious affairs. Article number 27, freedom of payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article number 28, freedom as to attendance at religious instructions or religious worship in certain educational institution. Article number 29, protection of interest of minorities. Article number 29, Article number 30, Article number 30, right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. Article number 31, repealed. Article number 32, remedies for enforcement of the Constitution. Article number 33, power of Parliament to modify conferred by this part in their application to forces. Thank you.